This video will show you how to create different sections in your calculation app. The user will be able to move from one section to the next by clicking an action button in the app. Let's look at this calculation app, which calculates the pricing for a car rental service. At the end of this app, there is a table which displays a summary of our calculation results. We would like to split this app into two sections. We want the user to see everything above the red line. We want the calculation summary, below the red line, to be hidden and revealed only when the user clicks a button. Let's go to the editor. The first step is to add two sections to split our app into parts. We do this by dragging new section elements into the app. Upon opening the app, users will only see the first section. Let's name this part of the app Main Section. We add the second section to define the area that initially will be hidden. I will name the section Offer Overview. Let's preview the app to see our progress. We have succeeded in separating away the bottom part of our app. Now we can go back to the editor and add an action button. Let's call this button Generate Offer Overview. We will use this button to move the user to the next section of the app. Under Properties, there is a drop-down menu called Switch Active Section. We will set this to Offer Overview so that our button will redirect the user to that section. I will add a second button that will allow users to switch back to the main section. That's it. We can now save and run the app to see the results. The user first can only see the main section, but can move back and forth between sections by clicking our action button. In this way, you can create complex apps with multiple pages that are revealed sequentially and guide the user through the calculation completion. You can also use action buttons to direct the user to a web page or to send the calculation data to a target URL. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us. We are happy to support you.